KK Java Tutorials. In this video tutorial, we'll talk about different types of joins in Oracle. But before proceeding, let's try to understand why joins are required in database. Yeah. So as you know, during database design, data is split into various tables, right? Because why we split data into various tables? Because we don't want to put all data into same table just to avoid the data redundancy. So just to avoid data redundancy, we break our information in small chunks and we store in different tables, right? This data from various tables needs to be accessed together, right? The process of forming rows from two or more tables by comparing the contents of related columns is called as joining tables. The resulting table is called a join between tables and it contains data from one or more of the original tables, right? Now let's see how many types of joins in Oracle we have. So first kind of join that's very famous, which is available in all the databases, that is inner join. Inner join returns only those records that matches in both the tables, right? So in this video tutorial, just we are going to understand each and every joins, and next video tutorial we'll see practical example of each and every joins. So I hope you understood inner join. Now let's move ahead. Now we have outer join. Outer join again classified into three categories. First we have a left outer join. In left outer join, basically it returns all records from the left table and the matched records from the right table. That's left outer join. Another side, when we talk about the right outer join, then it returns all the records from the right table and matched record from the left table. That's the right outer join. Then full outer join, the full outer join basically returns all rows from the left and right tables. It places null where the join condition is not met. Yeah? So that's the full outer join. Now we can understand inner join as well as outer join using this pictorial diagram. Let's say left circle represents data available in your left table and right circle represents data available in your right table, and this is the common area which is the common records in the both the tables. So when we talk about the inner join result, then this area which represents by 3 and 4, this is the inner join result. Similarly, left join results would be the 1 2 8 3 4. This sequence doesn't matter, right? So this area basically your result of left outer join, right? So basically data present in the left outer join and matched record, right, which is your left outer join. Then if you look at the right outer join, then data available in the area 4 3 5 6 7 in this area, that is your result of right outer join. When we talk about the full outer join, then data available in all areas like 1 2 8 4 3 5 6 7, that's the your full outer join. Yeah. Now let's move ahead. Now there is called cross or Cartesian join. This type of join returns the Cartesian product of rows from the tables in join. It will combine each row from the first table with the each row of the second table. Let's say you have a table 1 and table 2, and if you want to find the cross or Cartesian joins between these two tables, then let's say table 1 is having a 4 rows and table 2 is having a 5 rows. So Cartesian product will give you the 4 into 5 means 20 rows. Yeah, so simple. Now next we have a self join. A self join is used to match and retrieve rows that matching values in the different columns of the same table. Means when you write a join based on the same table, then that's the self join. Then last but not the least, we have a natural join. Natural join, when the join is based on all the common columns having same name in the different table, is called as natural join. Means you have, let's say you have a two table 1 and table 2, and there are few columns, one or many columns with the same name in the both the tables, then natural joins you can apply. So in this video tutorial, just we had a why joining requires and how many kinds of joinings are available in the SQL. In next video onwards, we will explore each and every with a practical example. So guys, big thank you for watching this video and see you there in the next video tutorial.